Do you want to create awesome video? But don't know where to start? You want to deliver your message and provide value to millions of people. You know people will love what you have to share with them. You want to really connect with your viewers and teach them everything you know so you can help them overcome problems or improve their skills. You want to promote a product, business or services, and you know that video is the best way to increase conversions and increase sales. Introducing. Here's what's inside IM Checklist Volume 5. Checklist 1. Video aims. The first thing you must do is figure out the reason you are creating a video. Too many people create and upload videos to sites like YouTube without first thinking about what they would like to achieve. Checklist 2. Video types. There are so many different types of videos that you can create that will help to keep your videos interesting and more engaging for your audience. Checklist 3. Keyword research. If you've ever wondered why some videos rank higher in search results than others for specific search terms, or you've wanted to improve the ranking of your own videos on sites like YouTube so that you get more engagement, views and subscribers, then you need to understand how important keyword research is prior to uploading your videos. Checklist 4. Recording equipment. Using the right tool for the job can not only help improve the quality of your videos, but it can also save you a lot of time and effort. One of the quickest way to lose your viewers is if your videos have poor sound or visual quality, so use this checklist to get your equipment set up the best it can be right from the start. Checklist 5. Smartphone video. You can record high-quality videos, you can edit the videos, add effects, add music, create animation videos, and share them with the world all whilst you're on the go, and just by using something that you carry around with you every day. Checklist 6. Prepare to record. Preparation is key to producing great videos. From having all of your equipment set up and making checks through to knowing what you're going to say, how you're going to say it, and even how you'll look in each of your videos. Use this checklist every time you're about to record a single video or even a whole batch of videos. Checklist 7. Video template. Once you have your main content recorded for your video, whether this is a talking head video in which you appear on screen, or if you have recorded the audio version of your video script and you want to use it to create an animation or slideshow type video, then it's now time to put everything together. Checklist 8. Video monetization. There are many different ways in which you can use your videos to generate an additional income or to help grow your business online. Most people have heard about people making money on YouTube through ads, but that requires a very large following, whereas a lot more money can be made a lot quicker and easier, and with little to no subscribers at all. Checklist 9. Video editing. Once you have your video content created, then it's time to edit your video to make it as engaging and professional as you can. There's a wide range of different free and paid online resources that can help you with this, as well as video editing software. In this checklist, I'll cover what you should think about when editing your videos and provide you with a number of different resources you can use to edit your videos as quickly and easily as possible. Checklist 10. YouTube channel. Checklist 11. YouTube video upload. Checklist 12. YouTube playlist. Creating playlists will not only help your viewers easily find relevant videos in your channels, but they will also help with ranking your videos in YouTube searches. Checklist 13. YouTube connect and engage. The huge difference and massive benefit YouTube has over other social media sites is that people really connect with you more, especially if you upload videos where you are on camera. They get to see you and get to know you a lot more than sites where you just post pictures, and this builds that know, like and trust factor quicker than any others. Checklist 14. Video traffic. Email. A great way to drive a ton of engaged traffic to your videos is to email all the people on your email list. After all, they all signed up to hear from you, and if you're providing value and gone out of your way to create a video that will help them, they'll love you for it, and it'll help build a connection with your list even more, especially if they can see and hear you. Checklist 15. Video traffic. Blog. Embedding your videos on your blog or website is not only a great way to add content, but it also helps with ranking your content in the search engines and gets more views to your videos. You can also add other content on your webpage such as opt-in forms, affiliate links, social media share buttons, comments section and much more. Checklist 16. Video traffic. Facebook. Facebook is one of the best places to get tons of viewers watching and sharing your videos. There are so many different ways to utilize Facebook to get your videos in front of thousands of viewers who are exactly the right type of people to watch them, and you can also retarget these people with ads or find other people just like them. Checklist 17. Video traffic. Twitter. Another great traffic source you can use to drive more views to your videos is to share your video link on Twitter. Checklist 18. Video traffic. Pinterest. Pinterest is generally used to share image posts, but you can actually use it to images that drive traffic to your videos, and you can even play videos right from within Pinterest itself. Checklist 19. Video traffic. Instagram. The problem with Instagram is that you're only allowed one link in your bio, and you're only allowed to upload videos less than 60 seconds. Checklist 20. Live